Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to Diving Garage. Today we're taking Hank and we're going to see just how fast this eBay build can go. So we just got teched in, we're going to get to the lanes. Let's dive in. There are some sick looking cars here today. Everything from, got your Mopar, I saw some dragsters, I saw some pro mods, all kinds of stuff. I'm going to get as much video as I can, but we're a little bit ways back. You know, honestly, I was kind of worried about the tech inspector checking Hank because, you know, he's got the blower and all that stuff. So he's also got a couple leaks, but it'll be all right, it'll be all right. You know, he didn't even bother. He said, "You got pants on, kid?" I was like, "Yeah." He goes, "All right, you're good." Alright guys, we're next up. Let's freaking go! Alright, we're up next. Hank's running okay. Doing good so far. I don't hear anything. I lost the linkage on the scoop. I'm gonna have to fix that at the next pit time. Alright, well, that is typical Hank right there. He kind of coughs a bit off the line, but hey, it's all good. It's all good. That was my first run. I just wanted to see what he would do, see how it went. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, I gotta fix that throttle linkage. It's accelerating too fast. It's not a progressive linkage. It's just like, bam. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Oh, well, he went 86. Now we're just gonna idle back to our little spot. See if we can mess with that linkage a bit. Woo, I tell you what though, it is stinking hot under all this stuff. This here's the cable I'm talking about. The night prior, I discovered it was hanging on by one single thread. This braided cable is supposed to have, well, I mean, several threads, but it clearly has one. I'm glad I found that the night prior, else that probably would have snapped. I replaced it with one of those universal ones from the AutoZone, and it did go in just fine and work just fine. But the issue is, when you're pressing the throttle, it was really hard, and then when it did go, it would go too much, and it would just jump. Yeah. Anyway, also a quick sec, don't forget about the turbo giveaway. All links in the description. Every $5 gets you one entry, and this thing is ending soon on April 30th, so make sure to get entered. a little bit. Let's go! All right, that was way better. Heck yes! Woohoo! Put my window key in there. See if I can get this thing to work. There we go. There we go. Woo! Thank you so much. Appreciate it. How do we do? How do we do? 15. That's hilarious. All right. 88. Oh, man. That is so funny. Car number 112. Reaction time 0.5. Hey, we're better than last time. That is great. Oh, I'm so happy. Man, Hank made it down. I'm starting to work on this throttle situation, but man, it is touchy. So if I just barely press it, it wants to go. It wants to go fast. I'll have to work on that, but you know what? I'm going to call that a successful track day. Yo!
Go out again.
I was just going to do the same thing.
Go get in line again, yeah.
I wanted to change the pulley. I think we're out of time.
I don't think you have time.
Yeah, I don't think we got time to pulley change. That's okay. I'm happy.
3:38.
I'm happy with it. I wanted to change the pulley, but we don't got time for that. They did better that time, right?
Oh, you're not going to run again?
Nah, that's okay. You gonna go? You should go. I didn't get to watch you.
I'm done.
You're done? Okay. All
I
right.
had 4 runs, but you only got 2.
That's okay. That's all I expected, really.
All right. I'll see you back.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's the best time of the day. It was like 89 mile an hour, around 15.4. You know, nothing crazy, but what do you expect for a 5,000 pound truck on 34-inch tires? You know, we're not big breaking records. They're big. We figured out that the throttle cable is tricky, and that I'm not running up to 6,000. I think I'm only hitting like 4,800, 5,000 RPM, which is not good. But you know what? That's part of going to the track, figuring out problems. But all overall, I'm calling today a success, especially after how last time ended. Had a good time watching all the other racers go, hanging out with friends. You know, that's what it's all about. But as for this video, guys, we got some things to work on, some more videos up ahead. If you liked the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, get out there, and dive into the next project. Catch you next time.